Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is going to talk about how it is important to have all of your web presence building to help your SEO. Why? Well, that's because Google knows it's all connected. So I'll give you a couple concrete examples of how Google knows it's all connected and how it's important you need to be building not just one part, but all of your web presence. So we did this example search. We did car tires in Maple Lawn. Maple Lawn is a space in Central Maryland. The point that I want to get across here is that inside of this Google My Business listing, right, in the search results for car tires Maple Lawn, we see that Google puts this note in here. Their website mentions car tire. Right? So it's important not only to build just your business listing, but also to build your website at the same time, to keep those all updated so that you'll have a better chance of ranking higher, not only in the business listings here, but also in the organic search results below, right, where your website ranks. Why? Because Google connects all these, not just a business listing, but also the website. So Google is making that connection when linked properly, and when they all match, then Google goes ahead and puts this together, helps it to rank higher. Even though this business is not in the area of Maple Lawn, it still gets in there because why? Their whole web presence is well built around this service in this town. I'll give you another concrete example. Okay, instead of tires, in this case we did brakes in that same Maple Lawn area. Right. So if we come down here, still inside the business listings, we see we recently had a front brake job performed. Right. So we searched for brakes, and now Google is seeing this other text that has to do with it, brake job, right? And so it puts it high in the business listing rankings because they have another part of their web presence which is matching exactly what's been searched. Right? In this case, I'll help you out, and what's being shown is it's inside of a review that was written. I'll show you how that looks. So here is the actual review that's associated with this, right? Had the front brake job performed on ... So it's important not only to be working on one single part of your web presence, but to be working on all of it, right? Getting reviews, building your website and continuing to update it, building your Google business listing and updating it, keeping it up to date, right? You know, and this goes on and on. Google actually knows about the business's social media. It knows if there is properly linked. It knows about its YouTube channel. It knows about the videos that are out there. So I hope this is helpful in understanding and showing you some concrete examples of how Google knows everything is connected when you build your SEO properly. All right, hope this helps. If you have any requests or questions, you can always come over to BTFOOM.com and ask. We help companies, both large and small, both blue collar and white collar, with SEO. You can also subscribe and check out our YouTube channel. Thanks. Hope this helps.